So, parabolic growth or not, in today's episode, we're gonna break down something very important, and I'm gonna show you my positions. They are all in profits, and market moved exactly as I was predicted in the previous videos. So today we're gonna break down what is actually happening to the Bitcoin, what is our targets, and what is the best decisions to do right now. But this video is not a financial advice, everything made for educational purpose only, and please do proper risk management when it comes to the trading and learn the trading first before you jump into the market. So let's go to the charts and let's talk about Bitcoin straightly. So I opened the long position. I was talking about that the Bitcoin most likely gonna show us some massive impulses, and that massive impulses happening as it was predicted and as it was traded, right? As well, we was expecting lower prices. Yes, in previous videos, I was talking about that wave 4, this wave 4, might be much more deeper than it happened right now. So basically, we don't know. Did we break it or not right now? But we know one thing, that was a really very good tradable situation. So we took the trade and we are in the profit. That I gave that signal in my Telegram channel. Here is all the proofs of my positions, right? And we are still holding some part of the long position, and I'm not planning to close it. And in today's episode, I'm gonna break down why I'm not actually closing my position. So basically, from Elliott's waves perspective, we are seeing what we saw: wave 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I'm not saying that wave 4 finished, right? I can't say that Elliott's waves, wave 4 finished, but before we are still under the all-time high, we're still possibly can be in a wave 4, and any time can possibly happen something such kind of. So you need to expect such kind of scenario. But right now, what we are seeing, and right now what is the most likely going to happen on the market, that wave 4 actually finished. So if we're going to take a Fibonacci from the beginning of the wave 3 and end of the wave 3, so we need to measure the wave 4. We saw that the target was 0.3 to 0.5. So actually, this is the zone of high attention from 0.3 to 0.6, and the most likely prices comes 0.5 to 0.6. But as you know, and as you saw, that 0.3 to 0.5 work out perfectly. So after that, we saw this impulse correction, and after again massive impulse, which one we traded. So basically, yes, there is possibility that wave 4 finished. So after wave 4, it follows wave 5, and right now it's getting much more interesting, I think, for each one of you. And right now you will understand what is my targets first of all, right? And we're gonna break down this fifth wave on the sub waves, and you're gonna have a more specific understanding towards what's going on the Bitcoin. So, and is it actually parabolic growth begins or not? So here we from Elliott's waves perspective, what we are seeing 5 impulsive waves. So we are expecting 5th wave. Is it the 5th wave, or is it even much more higher prices goes? We don't care. We know one thing, that from Elliott's waves, this scenario suits very, very well over here. So with the proper risk management, we traded, we are in a profits. Right now, let's measure the wave 5. So let's say what is the targets for us to understand that the 5th wave finished and the possibility of the massive reversal can happen over there. So for that one, we need to take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning of the impulse, end of the wave 3, and end of the wave 4. So the targets for wave 5 usually is 0.6. So this is the target where we are expecting wave 5. So let me mark this area. So usually price hits 0.6 area, and after that we are seeing some reaction. So what is our targets? From $85,000 to $83,000. To be specific, is $84,000, $700, around 800. So this is the target for us where we are expecting our Bitcoin's price, right? The targets. So what we know about wave 5. Wave 5 is 5 impulsive waves. So it's impulsive wave. It means what we are having. We're having impulse 1, we're having impulse 3, and we have an impulse 5. Wave 2 and wave 4 is correctional, right? So what we know about the wave 5. Wave 5 is impulse. It means it must have 5 impulsive waves inside inside of the wave. So it means on the sub waves, we need to see 5 waves. So how it looks like? It looks like this. Here's the wave 1, 2, and this wave 3 we exactly been traded, right? So right now, actually right now, this time, if we're gonna look at the charts, right, we are still might be in the wave 3, right, which we traded. Here happened wave 1, subwave 1, subwave 2, and this is massive subwave 3. So as most of you know, wave 3 doesn't have any targets. It can be as deeper as it needs. So for that, to measure the wave 3, we need to take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning of the wave 1, end of the wave 1, and end of the wave 4. Like this, we can measure the targets for wave 3. So right now it's getting really interesting because wave 3, as a wave 3, we know that it can reach us as 1.1, 1.2, 1.6, 2.6, 3.6, and etc, etc, etc. So it can be as deeper as it needs. But we have some really important information over here in technical analysis, because wave 3 minimum should to reach 1.2. Now you understand, right, why I closed the 50% of my amount what I'm trading, so my profits, right? So 50% I close it at 1 because this is the minimum of the wave 3. A little more I close it on the 1.2, so 25% of the trading profit. I close it exactly in the target 2. So this is target 1, target 2, and the most likely price comes to 0.6, 1.6. This is the area where the impulses most likely comes. So this is the $76,400. So this is our targets as a wave 3. Classical wave 3 usually comes to 1.6, and of course this is the minimums, and this is the where the most likely comes. But of course, remember that wave 3 can be as longer as it needs, but the targets is for us to taking some profit. So right now we are still in a wave 3. Yes, it's possible that wave 3 finish at all, but we don't care because we are already in the profits, right? But still we are expecting much more higher prices. Do you understand? I think everything I made really clear over here. I'm expecting higher prices, but there's possibility that we finish the wave 3 as well. We need to keep in mind that one, but most likely prices comes over here. So I'm expecting the targets as $76,000. So here I'm gonna most likely close my the last position, right? Of course, I always left a little bit to run it, until the sky it needs, right? Because this is also possibly some parabolic growth on the Bitcoin, because yes, we know we are expecting fifth wave in the targets over $84,000, but that's possibly that not wave 5, and it can go even higher and higher and higher, do you know? So basically, this is how I opened my position. This is how I target. This is how I closed part of my positions, and I'm still in the profits right now. And I'm still, of course, I move my stop losses to the entry point. So basically, if the price is gonna fall right now, I'm still closing in a profit. And this trade completely was in profit. So everybody who was trading, congratulations with your profits. I'm so happy to hear all of you, right? And of course, let me know in the comment section, what did you do? Did you trade? Did you short? Did you long? What's your current position? What do you think about the markets and all other things? I'm really happy to hear each one of you. You know, I'm reading each comment and always try to give you the answer as well. So basically, from the Bitcoin right now, it is not really good time to open some positions in the long-term perspective, because the best decisions was to buy actually over here. I was calling that, and over here to be much more to confirm that this is a real impulse. So this is why we opened the position somewhere here and we took our profits. Right now, it's not really good time to trade. It is not good time to open some long-term positions, right? Because basically, fifth wave is the last wave, and there's the rule when you want to exit your trade in the subwave 3 of wave 5. What does it mean? It means if we take a global wave 5, how it looks like, right? It looks like this. Here's the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So our fifth wave target is $84,000, but we will close our position where in subwave 3 of wave 5. Subwave 3 is this one, right, of wave 5. So this is what's our target main, but of course we are expecting higher prices. Basically, as we're gonna reach higher all-time highs, if the price is gonna enter into the all-time highs, we're gonna break down we're gonna look at the charts really clearly. We're gonna look at the MACD, RSI, and all other confirmations. Is it the real wave 5? Should we expect some major reversal on the global scenario and do some even deeper correction, and after again the new impulse? All of the things I'm going to talk about in the next upcoming weeks and months. I highly suggest you to jump in our Telegram channel, because there I'm going to give you first signal. All the technical analysis first going to drop over there, and after we're going to review it on the YouTube. So if you are a trader, if you want to become a trader or something like that, it's really a very great channel for you. The link in the description below. As well, you can use my links on the exchanges if you are trading or you want to buy crypto or all other things, because there's really great bonuses. All the links in the description below. The first, I'm trading on a Bybit and a Binx, both of these exchanges where I trust my money. So my suggestion to you, just trust the biggest exchanges, not the smallest one. Do not get in the trap, and always keep your money safe, and always hold the cold hard wallet in your home. So basically, this is what I'm thinking about the market. This is our targets. This is my plan. Right now, I'm still holding my longs. I'm expecting lower prices as well, right? But more our targets is the higher prices right now. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all of you who already subscribed to my channel. Highly suggest you to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, such kind of content. Leave a comment, press that likes, and see you in the next, and bye.